बी वाई जे कैप बी जेड के कैप इक्वल टू ए एक्स बी एक्स आई क्रॉस आई. Now multiplying by this vector to the vector plus ax by I cross j ax bz I cross k plus a by bx j cross I plus a by b by j क्रॉस j प्लस ए वाई बी जेड जे क्रॉस के प्लस ए जेड बी एक्स के क्रॉस आई प्लस ए जेड बी वाई के क्रॉस जे प्लस ए जेड बी जेड के क्रॉस के. नाउ आई क्रॉस आई इक्वल टू मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ आई क्रॉस आई इक्वल टू मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ आई वेक्टर साइन 0 इक्वल टू 0. So j cross j equal to 0 vector and k cross k equal to 0. Also I cross j equal to k. Magnitude of I vector is 1, magnitude of j vector is 1, and I vector is along x axis, positive x axis. Y vector y j cap is along positive y axis. Then the cross product of x axis y axis by thumb rule I cap j cap I cross j along k vector. Now by this rule I j k we can find easily I cross j equal to k, j cross k equal to I, j cross k equal to I. When we move in same direction, then product is positive. When we have to move in opposite direction, example k cross j, then this will go in reverse direction, so product will be minus I. I cross j k, j cross k I, j cross k I, k cross I, k cross I equal to j. Also k cross j equal to minus I, k cross j equal to minus I, j cross I, j cross I equal to minus k because direction is reverse, v goes in reverse direction, minus k. I cross k equal to minus j, minus j. So vector a cross vector b equal to this will become 0 0 0. I cross j k ax by k cap I cross k minus j minus ax bz into j plus j cross I minus k a by bx az bz a by bz j cross k I j cross k I plus az bz az bx k cross I j az by k cross j minus I az by minus I, and this will become 0. Now taking common, I cap a by bz minus az b by into I cap plus or minus ax bz minus az bx into j cap plus ax b by minus a by bx into k cap. This is our final result. This is our final result. Vector A cross vector B equal to A by BZ minus AZ B by into I cap minus AX BZ AZ BX into J cap plus AX B by A by BX into K cap. This is nothing but determinant of I, J, K, AX, A by AZ, BX, B by BZ, and defined as we resolve the determinant in any way along first row, second row, third row, or first column, second column, third column. This is called column. First column, second column, third column, first row, second row, third row. By expanding determinant along any row or any column, the result will be same. We expand determinant along first row, the vector I. On expanding, this element contained in first column and along first row. So delete first row column and first row. Then A by AZ, B by BZ. This will come or minus 1 to the power number of row plus number of column. 1 plus 1 plus minus 1 to the power, taking this element second column, first row. So 1 plus 2 into J cap. Deleting this column and this row, we get AX, AZ, BX, BZ plus minus 1 to the power. For this element, number of row 1 and number of column 3. Number of row plus number of column into K cap. Deleting this column, third column and first row, we get AX, A by BX, BY. So minus 1 to the power 2, this will become 1, I cap into. For determinant x, for value of second order determinant, this is second order determinant, this is third order determinant, because third 3 column and 3 rows comes. This is called 3 order determinant, this is 2 order determinant. The rule of expansion of three order determinant is this, and the rule of expansion of two order determinant is multiplying this and minus multiplying this. A y b z minus a z b y plus minus 1 into j cat ax bz minus bx az plus ax by a by bx. This is the product of two vectors. Note. Then vector A and vector B represent two adjacent sides of a parallelogram. Then magnitude of vector A cross vector B gives area of parallelogram. This is vector A, this is vector B. Then area of parallelogram ABCD equal to magnitude of vector A cross vector B. Magnitude of vector A cross vector B. Proof. Length of this side is A and length of this side is B. This is angle theta between vector A and vector. Then this is height perpendicular B sin theta. Area of parallelogram equal to base into height equal to base A into height B sin theta equal to AB sin theta equal to magnitude of vector A cross vector B. Proof.